Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting a clean transcript. Either export YouTube auto captions or paste your manual text. This saves time later. Once done, open your Shorts editor or a subtitle tool and set the project to 16:9, then mark rough timestamps where speech changes. Make sure to pick a caption style now: readable size, high contrast color, and a subtle background with 60–80% opacity so text stays visible over footage. Next, refine timing and split lines at natural pauses, because short lines read faster and keep attention. Once you have rough timestamps, apply display durations, aim for 1/2 to 2 seconds for short phrases and longer for complex sentences, and preview at 1x and 1.5x speeds. Make sure to align captions to the lower third or near the speaker so viewers can follow, then scrub through the clip to fix overlaps or jumps that break flow. Finally, choose Export. SRT if you want editable captions, or burn them into an MP4 if you need consistent appearance across platforms. Once exported, upload to YouTube Shorts and add the SRT in the Subtitles tab, or simply upload the burned-in file. If viewers report mismatches, go back, resync the offending segment by shifting timestamps, and re-export. Make sure seconds and milliseconds line up exactly. Quick tip: check on a phone to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.